everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the all-new 2025 Hyundai Tucson. This compact SUV has been a popular choice for families and city dwellers alike, and the 2025 model gets a major refresh that makes it even more compelling. So, let's see what's new and why the Tucson might be your perfect driving companion. The first thing you'll notice is the Tucson's bold new design. We're talking a completely revamped front end with a wider grille and sharp LED headlights. The whole look is futuristic and sophisticated, with clean lines and sculpted details that flow all the way to the back. New wheel designs add a touch of personality, and overall, the 2025 Tucson definitely makes a statement on the road. Hop inside, and the upgrades continue. The cabin offers a more modern and upscale feel, with high-quality materials and a focus on technology. You get an available dual-screen infotainment system with crisp graphics, perfect for navigation, music, or entertainment on the go. Thankfully, Hyundai heard our pleas and brought back physical buttons for climate control, a win for usability. The new layout offers more storage compartments, and the center console gets a sleek redesign with an available wireless charging pad. It's a comfortable space that feels perfect for cruising around town or tackling road trips. The 2025 Tucson isn't just about looks, it offers a variety of powertrains to suit your needs. The base model comes with a tried-and-true 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers reliable performance. Safety first with advanced driver assistance. The 2025 Tucson prioritizes your safety with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include features like highway driving assist, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, making every drive a little less stressful. There are a few things that make the 2025 Tucson stand out. First, it's a well-rounded package that offers a stylish design, a comfortable and tech-filled interior, and a variety of powertrain options to fit your driving style and budget. Second, Hyundai is known for its reliability and generous warranty coverage, giving you peace of mind. Finally, the Tucson is expected to be competitively priced, making it a great value proposition in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a compelling option for anyone looking for a stylish, feature-rich, and fuel-efficient compact SUV. It offers a significant upgrade over the previous model with a more modern design, a comfortable interior, and a wider range of powertrain options. So, if you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to check out the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. It might just be your perfect match. What do you think of the new Hyundai Tucson? Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this exciting new SUV. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.